So thank you all. So the next concept is launch template. Next concept is launch template. So what is meaning of launch template? So you know the meaning of template. So template is nothing but pre-configured item. So if you want to use repeatedly, you can use a template for in the next work. So in your real-time environment, so whatever the instances you're creating, repeatedly you're using the same instances configuration for your project. You can create a template. Next time when you're creating a new instance, you can use the same template, okay, launch template option to create a new instances. So that will save your time. Unnecessarily, you're doing the same routine job, okay? So only one time you will spend your valuable time to creating the template of your project instances, either Windows machine or Linux machine, whatever the applications you are installed and created and configured. That machine you will be created as a template. By using the template, you can create a instances. Okay. When you click on launch template, it will ask the name. What is your template name? Example LT launch template name is suppose W16 W16 hyphen web. Okay, web. So I need a web server with the Windows 16 operating system. That's the purpose I'm going to create. Hey, where is your operating system? My operating system in Amazon Mission Image. Amazon Mission Image. So in Amazon Mission Image, if we click browse, you can select a quick starter AMIs. So quick starter AMI is a normal thing. Quick starter AMI is normal thing. So even normally also created. There is no use of it. There is no use of it. Normally, you can directly create a launch instance and you can select the AMI and you can create your instances. So there is no use of selecting the quick start AMI to create a launch template. There is no application inside it. First, you need to create my AMI, that is called custom AMI. From that custom AMI, you can create a launch template you can create that will use for you. That will use for you. Understand? Are you clear? So for that reason, I'm not creating a launch template right now. I'm going back to instances. I'm going back to instances. Previously, I already created Windows Server operating system. I need to start the operating system here. I need to start the operating system here. Let's start the server successfully. I'm going to stop the Linux operating system. Not required right now. Better I'll be terminate. I don't want it. Okay. So once the machine is ready, I'm going to I'm going to install I'm going to install some configuration on the machine. Example, I will install web server. I will install web server on the Windows server. I will install web server on the Windows 2016 server. Then I will convert this machine to custom AMI. From that AMI, I will create a launch template. I'll create a launch template. Okay, good. Now the server is powered on, but its initializing is pending. It is a initializing is pending. Please wait. You can select the operating system, copy the IP address, go to MSTSC and IP address, click connect, and username is administrator. And what is the password? Right click connect, go to RDP client, click on get password, upload private key file. Now I'm selecting this key pair, decrypt the password. Now I successfully logged into Windows 2016 server. So simultaneously, I'm explaining the launch template and web server installation on Windows Server operating system, guys. Okay, in the same video, you will get launch template. You will get how to install web server on Windows 2016 server, and also how to convert the instance to, okay, custom AMI. Three concepts you will understand in this video. Okay, now successfully connected to Windows 2016 server. How to install web server here. Go to start. Here is the option called the server manager. Click on add roles and features. Now just know it is loaded. So background process is running now. Please wait. Click on add roles and features. Next, next, next. Here we need to select a web server. Add features. Next, 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 next. Install. That's it. Very simple installation. See guys, the web server is successfully installed and closing here, close this window. So now the same IP address of the server, I will browse from internet. See, and just browse this server from internet. The page is not working because this is a web server, right? Port number 80 should open on the server. See, in this machine, if I install web server, if you want to connect from outside, so you need to allow port number 80 in the security group. Security group, click here, edit inbound rule, HTTP. Anybody can connect from internet. Save the plan. So now we can refresh the page. Now I'm able to access a default web page here. For your understand purpose, in this server, I'm going to access browser. Okay, some sample web page files I'll download from internet and I'll install it. That's a default web page, right? I'm going to configure some uh, stunning websites. Okay, I think this is a Internet Explorer is blocking the connection. So what I'm trying to do, I'm closing the browser, open Server Manager, local server. Here internet information configuration is there. So I'm a bit down of it. Now close this window. Now I can open the Internet Explorer. I'm going to free CSS website, free HTML templates. Okay. So cars, some kind of so there is a website name called free-css.com. Any website you can download it, not a problem. Suppose there is a website name. Example is a coffee shop. There is a website name is coffee shop. I'm going to download it. I'm going to download it and open the folder. This is a John coffee shop is there. Extract all, click OK, done. Now can copy these files. Now I can go to this PC, C drive, inetpub, www root. These files, the default files I'll delete here. The custom files I have pasted this. Now I'm refreshing the page. I'm refreshing the page. Now John coffee shop is ready, right? John coffee shop is ready now. Even you can access this IP address from your system and let me know. Is that clear? So now the web server is ready with a content. Huh? This is a live, this is a live website, okay, which we prepared and we are accessing it. Good. So this web server, I'm going to convert this server to launch template. So first, this server, the particular server, I'm going to create a custom AMI. So if you go to AMIs, there is no AMI here. So normal AMIs are available, custom AMIs are not available. So first you go to instances, select the instance, go to action. There's the image and template is there. Create an image. Okay. So image means AMI hyphen John Coffee. Okay. So this John Coffee, I'll be updating this. This is a web application. Okay. John Coffee web application. I'm creating it. So when I click create an image, it is ready. So you can click on AMI. Now it is creating. It's pending also. So please wait. AMI hyphen John coffee web server. Okay. So this will take some time. Once this EMI is created, then I can create a launch template. Let me refresh the session. Still it is pending. Please wait. Let me refresh the session. Still it is pending. I have some question from Paul. Let me answer it. Is there a fee to create AMI, or can we make it multiple AMI for free? Multiple is there is a fee for create AMI. Can we make a multiple AMI for free? Multiple AMIs are linked to the main instances based on. Okay, let me clarify this. So AMI, if you're creating, so there is no charges, but the whatever the volume that is a storage was consuming, okay, the storage cost will be applicable, Paul. Okay, so whatever the instances you're creating from that AMI, those instances will be charged definitely. But again, the concept is free tier, non-free tier. If the instances are created in T2 micro, T3 micro, as per the free tier eligibility terms and conditions, if you're not crossing 750 hours, no charges. But storage will be consuming more than 30 GB in elastic block storage, the charges will be applicable. Am I answer your question? Okay, good. So now the AMI is available. The AMI is available. Let's go to launch templates. Go to launch template, create a launch template. Now the launch template, the name I'm going to create LT. So what is the name? John Coffee. Okay. Web server. Description, nothing not required. See, my AMI is there. My AMI. See, John Coffee is available. Select it. Okay. Now scroll down. Hey, what is your configuration is required? What is instance type you are going to create? I'm going to create a T2 micro. And what is the key pair for that instance? So and so key pair. And what is the network setting for the instance? You can select the network configuration and what is the volume. That's it. Now you can create a launch template. It will not charge anything. It will not charge anything. You can view the template. So next time you need the same settings for your project, need the same setting for your project. You can select this template. You can go to action, launch instance from the template. That's it. Only single click. Only single click. All the settings will be applicable. All the settings, whatever we selected in the launch template, um, the template operating system, instance type, storage type, key pair, networking, everything automatically selected. Only you can select how many missions you want. Example, I'm planning to create a 2 missions. Click on launch instance. That's it. It's very simple. You can create a missions. You can click view instances. Now go to EC2 console. The instances will be creating. Instances will be creating. That's the beauty of That's the beauty of launch template. Any other question? See, the server is successfully creating from the template. The server is creating successfully from the template. So what we need to verify? So whatever these instances are created, okay, from this template, so the coffee shop web application will be opening, right? You can select this, copy the public IP address, you can paste and you can check that. It will work. It will work. Okay. Any other question? We can create a web application. So guys, this is a small project I'm assigning to you. You can take any web page in the internet and you can create a launch template. And by using the launch template, you can create instances and you can check that. That's a task for the day. Okay?
Rajesh,
Yes, please.
Suresh here.
Yes,
Now
Suresh.
we pasted this John Coffee Shop application in server folder, right?
Yes, server folder means in server
So
configuration folder,
yeah,
like C inetpub www root.
yeah. For example, if I want to add one more application like this, can we add it in the same location? Or how?
No, no, no. Different page you need to create it. Okay, going forward, I'll explain. So web management. That's a
Okay.
virtual directories we need to create. Going forward, I'll explain it.
Okay.
Right now, this is a default web page I have created. If you have a multiple web servers also, you can create a multiple folders you need to maintain. Okay. Any other question? No question, right? Thank you.